Hey Sandra, I think you're the pizzeria made a mistake. All your pizzas are sliced into different number of slices.
Oh no, let me take a look. You're right. Oh dear, my party is ruined. How can my guests share equal slices of pizzas when the slices are of different size?
Don't worry, Sandra. We can always divide the slices up to make them the same size. I'll show you. Let's look at the pepperoni and Hawaiian pizza. Notice that the Hawaiian pizza is sliced into 8 equal slices, while the pepperoni is sliced into 4 equal slices. Since 4 times 2 gives us 8, we can simply split each slice of the pepperoni pizza into 2 equal slices, so 1/4 of the pizza is now 2/8 of the pizza.
That's great, but what about the veggie pizza? 6 cannot be multiplied to give 8, and neither can 4 be multiplied to give 6.
Well, we simply need to find the lowest common denominator, Sandra. Remember we learned about multiples and finding the lowest common multiple in school? We simply need to list out the multiples of 4 and 6, and find the lowest common, which is 12. To turn 4 slices into 12, it means that we need to split each slice further into 3s. So 1/4 of a pepperoni pizza is now 3/12 of a pizza. Similarly for the veggie pizza, to get 12 slices out of 6, we simply need to split each slice into 2 equal slices, so 1/6 of a veggie pizza is now 2/12 of a pizza. This is also known as making equivalent fractions.
Wow, you're clever. Where did you learn all of these?
Easy, I book regular online tutoring sessions with Curate tutors during the term break, and they provide me with useful math enrichment that are very applicable to daily life. It has made me love math. I used to hate the subject.
The numerator and denominator by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. For example, we can multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/4 by 2 to get 2/8, which is equivalent to 1/4. We can also multiply by 3 to get 3/12 and so on. In this way, we can form infinitely many equivalent fractions, and they all have the same value. 1/4 is also known as the simplest form, because when the numerator and denominator have the same factors, we can always divide to simplify the fractions. To summarize, we can make equivalent fractions by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, we can multiply both the numerator and denominator of 3/4 to become 15/20. We say that 3/4 and 15/20 are equivalent fractions. We can also simplify fractions by dividing both numerator and denominator by the same factors. For example, in the fraction 15/20, both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 5, so we can divide to get 3/4. Since 3 and 4 has no more common factors, it is said to be in the simplest form.
Wow! I love how your tutor summarizes the concepts at the end. I now understand equivalent fractions and simplifying fractions now.
I know. I've already booked my tutor for next week. I can't wait to ask her how to add and subtract fractions before the school term begins.